Wow, you're welcome once again to my channel at Lukebreezy NFTs. So today I want to take you guys on the journey on how to use Keplr wallet to stack, swap, withdraw and deposit. So for you to do this in your phone, you need to have the app. The app can be gotten from the Play Store. So all you need is go to the Play Store. Then when you go there, you type on Keplr wallet. So here is it. So this is how the Keplr wallet looks like. So but I already have mine, so I'll just go direct to Keplr wallet. So that is the symbol K for Keplr. Log into my wallet. So here you are welcome to the Keplr platform, and when you tap on the top left, you see the series of networks that are there. So we have the Cosmo Hub, the Osmosis, Regen, Juno, Stargaze, Persistence, Axelar, Somalia, Umee, and Agoric. So but the popular ones here all now been hearing about, has been trending all over, is the Cosmo Hub, the Osmosis, the Juno. Yeah, all know that Juno had a domain name of late, right? Yeah. So well, basically I want to show you guys, if you want to stack your atom, let me say you got your atom from any other exchange out there. It could be Binance, it could be Heartbeat. So you got your atom there, or Coinbase. So you got your atom there. Then you come to stack, you come here, you click on stack. When you go there, you see different validators. There are lots of validators here, man, like up to 31. So you choose a particular validator you want. Then once you click on it, then you stack a particular amount of atom you want to stack. But right now I won't be stacking. If you want to learn how you could swap some token from atom to Juno, for instance, so you click on this symbol here, like a globe, click on it. Then it open the next platform for you. It tells you what discover apps. So we click on Osmosis. So another platform will be opened right there for us. Once it opens, boom! I always love the Osmo platform here. It's look beautiful in the eyes, man, I must say that. So you click on the top right, so it's going to display some items for you here. You can see the trade, pool, asset, stats. So right now we just go to asset. Now I will show you guys how you can deposit from your atom there to your atom to your wallet here, so you can able to enable you swap if you want to swap to Juno, because I've been getting lots of messages about how can I swap my atom to this. So I said let me make this video so to enable you all. So you scroll down, you see Cosmo Hub atom, click on deposit, and click on deposit, and then right below here you see it shows you amount of deposit, available balance. So it tells you that I only have 1.393275 atom in my own wallet. So I'll choose the amount I want to deposit. Let me say for the sake of this video I'll be depositing only 0.3, and I click on deposit. So once it displays, it tells me what approve. So I'll go right there on. Do you know the beautiful thing about Cosmo app, about the Keplr wallet? When you want to perform your IBC transfers, let me show you. You see their gas fee is literally very cheap. So in some cases it's 0, in some cases very low, as you can imagine 0.01. so right here I'll click on low and confirm. So approve. So will be approving the transaction. So you see transaction broadcast, transaction successful. So with that being done, we know that we have transferred what? We have deposited 0.3 atom. So when we go back there to our trades, so right here you see it was 0 before, but now you can see 0.3. Now we have ended up depositing 0.3 atom. And let me say we want to get Juno. We click on the 2, then it will display for you some of it here. So you scroll, I think if you want you can use the search button, but here is our Juno. Mwah! Love that. I love it. I love the platform, it's so beautiful. So you can go here and click on 0.3. Now it tells you that 0.3 can give us 0.6 Juno. So we go down, we click on what? Swap. Now you see a lot tells you that I always love the transaction on Keplr wallet. It's always beautiful, I'm telling you. I love it, honestly. So who doesn't like free stuff? Imagine a gas fee so cheap like that. So we go here, click on approve. So transaction broadcasting, and next thing, boom, comes the transaction successful. That's beautiful. So here we have ended up. So when we go here, go to our assets again. Now you go to your so as you all can see, our Juno has reflected. So you can see it here. We're able to purchase 0.3 atom for, sorry, we're able to swap 0.3 atom for 0.65 Juno. So here is it. So if you want to withdraw this, back to your Juno, you go click withdraw. So as I checked before, I had 4 Juno. Let us see how it goes. So let me click on max. I want to withdraw everything, man. So we click on withdraw. So the next we're gonna keep rolling. It says insufficient fund to withdraw. So you can still go here, click on 0. That's why I told you I love using Keplr wallet. This is so beautiful, guys. You click on confirm. So we're going to wait for it to load. So click on approve, then goes transaction broadcasting, successful in not less than 5 minutes, and we are good. So when you go back, you see here we had little money here, but here it's no more. So we're going to go back. Let me go to my Juno. So see, initially I had $2 there, but you can see now it has increased to 6. So this is the reason why I love using Keplr wallet. It's so beautiful. You can do lots of activities there. I told you could stack, you could swap, you could use other beautiful exchanges, and don't forget it has some governance principles. So you can go every day, you can go and upvote to make you eligible for some airdrop. Yeah, you can go and vote. Yeah, so this is what I have for you for today. So I know that you have gotten great value from this. For those of you out there who don't know how to use Keplr wallets, so this video is purposely meant for you. And if you know you gained value from this video, I want you to help me to click on the subscribe button and tap on the notification bell, so that whenever I get to upload a new video, you will be notified, so that you don't miss any or every content that I upload. So, and also don't forget to drop your comments down below. it will help a long way, so that I can able to answer all your questions. If it needs me uploading a new video, I will do that right away. So thank you all for watching. See you guys in my next video. Thank you.